The Galaxy S25 might be the hottest phone of the moment, but let's be real. We're barely into 2025. There's so much more to look forward to, especially when it comes to the future of Android. I mean, sure, the S25 is great, but what about the Galaxy S25 Edge? And where's OnePlus in all of this? What about Motorola? Most importantly, what's next for Google's Pixel lineup? Well, thanks to a fresh leak, we're getting some early clues. The team at SmartrPrix just spotted all 4 Pixel 10 models appearing in the GSMA database, which is always a solid sign that Google is gearing up for launch. We've known the codenames for a while, but now we have model numbers, which makes everything feel a little more real. The Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 XL, and Pixel 10 Pro Fold are all accounted for, and while these numbers don't tell us much on their own, they confirm that Google is sticking to the same lineup as last year. According to this registry update, the standard Pixel 10 will have 2 model numbers, as will the Pixel 10 Pro. The larger Pixel 10 XL has just 1 model number, as does the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. I'm not sure about these models in details, but it might be a sign of launching their devices in 2 different chipsets like Samsung did in past. The most interesting part of this leak, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Just last week, OnePlus confirmed it won't be launching a foldable this year, which leaves Google and Samsung as the only major players in the US foldable market. With Samsung prepping the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, Google has its work cut out for it if it wants to stay competitive. The first-gen Pixel Fold was a solid start, and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold refined the experience, but can Google really go toe-to-toe with Samsung in the foldable space? That's the big question. Performance-wise, the Pixel 10 lineup is shaping up to be the most exciting one yet. For years, Google's Tensor chips have been based on Samsung's Exynos platform, and while they've helped push AI features forward, they've also struggled with efficiency and gaming performance. That's why this year's rumored switch to TSMC for the Tensor G5 is such a big deal. If this move results in better battery life, improved thermals, and stronger overall performance, the Pixel 10 could finally deliver the flagship experience that Pixel fans have been waiting for. Google's priorities won't change. These will still be AI-first devices packed with smart features. But if the hardware can finally keep up with the competition, the Pixel 10 could be a game changer. With this leak popping up now, all signs point to an August launch. That lines up with Google's usual timeline, and it makes sense given how long it takes for model numbers to appear in the GSMA database before a phone actually hits the market. The Pixel 9 series still feels fresh, but let's be honest, it's never too early to start looking ahead. So, what do you think? Are you excited for the Pixel 10 lineup? Which model has you the most hyped? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's talk about it. Until next time, take care.